Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to fix slow downloaded speed in Telegram. Now firstly open the Telegram app. Once you are in the app, then tap on File to Link Bot. You can share the link of your video and bot will download it. It's going to help you download the video too fast. Once you are done from here, go to your mobile setting and scroll down. Tap on Apps. After tapping the apps, tap on Manage Apps. In Manage Apps, search for Telegram. And tap on Telegram. After tapping the Telegram, you should tap on Storage. Here you can see the storage of Telegram and you should tap on Clear Data. Tap on Manage Space. After that, tap on Clear Cache. From pop-up, tap on Clear Cache. And here your storage is cleared and it's going to start working fine. After that, it fixed the issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.